my gems and gentlemen, welcome back. On today's video, I am doing a collab with Miss Everyday Wife Life. And in this collab, she asks us to clean and decorate our porch. And unfortunately, guys, I couldn't do a lot of cleaning outside because the weather shift. The weather is so cold. So I end up doing my garland on the inside. This garland I have here on my island, I purchased from Walmart from last year. So I'm going to use my garland to go over the front door. Now I did do some cleaning and wiping down and touching up some spots on my door with some paint. I did do that much. So this garland, guys, I'm going to try to decorate it inside first, and then I'll take it on the outside. Here I'm just testing to see how it looks without me putting anything else on it. And it does look a little boring. So I'm going to take it back down and add some decor mesh in this garland, the red and the silver. And I got this deco mesh from the Dollar Tree. And all you have to do, and I'm trying to do it with one hand, is just twirl it and just twist it together. And all I did was tie it within my garland. And that's it, guys. It's so easy. And this did brought some life to it and some more color. Because at first I just had this silver. The before and after. Y'all comment and tell me what y'all think. Hey friends, this is my candy cane I made from a pool noodle, and I will have the icon above and also that video link inside my description box. So this is what I did. I hung this up, and I had to use a little small little Dollar Tree, those little hooks to hook on the door. And it's so easy, guys. This is so easy to make. I hope that you try to make this. I wanted to do more on the porch, but like I said, the weather didn't permit. And here is the garland up, guys. The red and silver together brought it out. Now, this is my next step. I wanted to add some lights, and I bought some beautiful red lights from Walmart. And I did put the lights up. And guys, these are the beautiful red berries I found at Walmart, and they were only $3.97 a piece. And I took these beautiful red berries and I added them in with my ferns sitting in the part right beside my front door. These are so beautiful. I want to thank everyone for watching. And guys, my final step that I did with this, and all I did was just add a red bow from the Dollar Tree on my topiary tree and put my lantern in front. I want to thank my Everyday Wife Life for putting this collab together. And don't forget, guys, there is a playlist. And here is how it look at night. The red is so beautiful. And this is my little shih tzu, Tessa. She came out to check things out. And I hope that if you're not a subscriber, that you will join my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I thank you so much for watching. And y'all have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye.